Has your juvenile been charged with a crime in Colorado? If so, you need to call Sawyer Legal Group. Teens accused of crimes in Colorado, across all the counties, Denver, Jefferson, Boulder, they deserve a strong defense. Their future is at risk, especially in terms of employment or education. Common charges that we see with juveniles in Denver and throughout Colorado are things like shoplifting or theft. You might have vandalism or an MIP, like possession of substances like alcohol or drugs. You also can see violent crimes like assault whenever there's a teenage fight or something in that nature. And then there's also sex crimes where you can have juveniles sexting back and forth or even an alleged sex assault. It is absolutely imperative that parents and teens both understand the rights that a teenager has whenever they're charged with a crime. For instance, they have the same rights that adults do. They have the right to be free from any unreasonable searches and seizures, to be free from self-incrimination, to refuse questioning and to remain silent and not actually answer questions whenever law enforcement is coming at them and asking them things. And they also have the right to have an attorney with them during questioning. Remember that if a teen is arrested or detained, law enforcement should be contacting that parent and letting them know what's going on. Remember, parents have rights whenever it comes to a juvenile crime in Colorado as well. For instance, they have the right to be present whenever a teenager or a juvenile is being questioned by the police. They also have the right to know why the charge is happening, of what the basis of the charge is. And then finally, they also have the right to retain an attorney for their child if they would like to. Learning that your teenager, your child, your juvenile has been charged with a crime in Colorado can be extremely unnerving, but don't panic. Remember to exercise your right to remain silent and encourage your juvenile to do the exact same thing. This can be a very important aspect to a case moving forward, is that they're not talking to the police. Secondly, make sure not to turn over any information to the police. Don't give them your phone or the tablet of your child without a warrant. That can also be extremely damaging for a case. But most importantly, contact us. Sawyer Legal Group, 303-830-0880 or sawyerlegalgroup.com. We've represented juveniles accused of crimes across Colorado for years. We have tons of experience when it comes to helping your son or daughter out. So if they find themselves being charged with a crime, we will be there to help get the best possible outcome under the circumstances. Always remember, don't talk to the police, talk to us.